Hi, I'm Troy, and today I'm here to introduce you to LightFourth. Finding, applying for and landing the ideal job is now simpler than ever, thanks to LightFourth. I'll walk you through every step of using the platform in this video so you can concentrate on landing a job. Step 1. Log into your LightFourth account. To begin, sign into your LightFourth account, create an account, confirm your email and complete your profile setup if you don't already have one. A complete user profile enables LightFourth to offer you the best job recommendations. Step 2. Create job profile. Proceed to the complete your profile area and complete the necessary information, including your name, education, job history, career objectives, and talents. Provide as much information as you can. The more details you give, the more effectively LightFourth AI can customize your resume. Step 3. Start building your resume. Go to Resume Builder on your dashboard after completing your profile. LightFourth AI will automatically generate a draft of your resume based on the information in your profile. You can utilize the Create New Resume option if you'd prefer to start from scratch. Step 4. Optimize for ATS compatibility. The ATS compatibility score that LightFourth AI assigns to your resume indicates how well it works with Applicant Tracking Systems. Use terms relevant to your employment and maintain a neat, businesslike manner to raise your score. This process will be guided by the AI. Step 5. Navigate to the Auto Apply section. Locate the Auto Apply area on the dashboard. You will configure and control the functionality here. To ensure LightFourth applies for jobs that match your career goals, select your job profile. Next, attach a resume or let LightFourth create one for you. Go on to confirm your contact details, save and continue to dashboard. Step 6. Download and set up the LightFourth Auto Apply Chrome extension. To download the LightFourth Chrome extension, click the button on your dashboard to download the extension directly. Alternatively, open your browser and go to the Chrome Extension Manager. Search for LightFourth Auto Apply and click Add to Chrome. Once downloaded, log into your LightFourth account through the extension. Make sure your Glassdoor, LinkedIn or Indeed account is logged in on the same browser. Then click on Start Auto Apply button to start applying to hundreds of jobs. Step 7. Prep for interview. Navigate to the Prep for Interview section on your dashboard. You will be able to simulate interview of your applied jobs. This will help you practice and increase your chances of landing the job. Explore more features on LightFourth like the Interview Copilot. It can listen to your interview and help you answer questions better. Now it's your turn. Log in to LightFourth and create your first profile today.